Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the artificial liquid intelligence token, ticker symbol Alethea. This token just got listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Artificial Liquid Intelligence token. So this token just got listed today. You can find the Alethea token listed today on Hotbit. It just got listed February 8th. Trading opens at 9 a.m. UTC time. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first you need a Hotbit account. If you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search ticker symbol Alethea in the trade section, and then simply just buy the token. Cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lockups, loans, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on a lot of your tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. That's where this token just got listed today. So this has a lot to do with, Chat GPT type of AI type of things that are very popular in the news right now. Their Twitter is at real_Alethea and called Alethea AI. It's verified on Twitter, 46,600 Twitter followers. They have a Discord listed on there, and their official webpage, alethea.ai. So if you go over there, they have links to their character GPT, dApps, research, AI protocol. So Alethea AI is proud to introduce the Character GPT, the world's first multimodal artificial intelligence system that generates interactive AI characters from a description in natural language. In short, Character GPT enables text-to-character creation. So you can create a character from text, basically. It says backed by Binance, Crypto.com, Polygon, Alliance, Multicoin Capital, etc. There's a whole bunch of partners on here. So it says the dawn of generative age. In the same way that internet revolutionized content distribution, AI is revolutionizing content creation. Large language models such as GPT-3, ChatGPT, text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 2, Mid-Journey, and now Alethea AI text-to-character AI system. Character GPT marks the new beginning of a new age in content creation. So Character GPT makes text-to-character a reality. Character GPT is a revolutionary artificial intelligence system that allows users to quickly generate interactive characters with distinct appearances, voices, personalities, and identities simply by providing a natural language description. After a character is tokenized, its owner can customize its personality, train its intelligence, train its generative outputs, and use it across other dApps on the AI protocol. So Character GPT can be used to create AI characters for a wide variety of use cases: digital twins, digital companions, virtual assistants, and digital guides. Try Character GPT at mycharacter.ai. Alethea AI is proud to partner with mycharacter.ai to enable democratized access to Character GPT. My Character AI is a decentralized application dApp built on the AI protocol that leverages Character GPT to enable the generation of a variety of interactive and emotional expressive AI characters. Alethea AI and the AI protocol. Alethea AI is a research and development studio building the intersection of two of the most transformative technologies of the time, generative AI and blockchain. Our mission is to use these technologies to enable decentralized ownership and democratic governance of AI. We believe the key to achieving our mission is to partner with the work of those who share the values to advance the development and adoption of AI protocol. So they have the AI systems, they have the AI protocol, and the dApps. So advantages of tokenizing AI characters on the AI protocol is, number one, you have probable ownership. The AI characters exist on a blockchain as NFTs, enabling their characters to verify their ownership without a trusted third party. There's data sovereignty, so the digital labor of the tokenized AI character benefits their owners, who also get to curate and customize the data sets that are added to the knowledge bases of the AI character. And character assets. The tokenized AI character can generate and own a variety of AI assets that exist on the AI protocol and can be traded with others. Intelligence customization. The tokenized AI character can be upgraded, like their intelligence, and evolve various aspects of their personality and be trained and specialized by their owners. And lastly, decentralized interoperability. The AI characters are interoperable across the dApps on the AI protocol, enabling their utilization across multiple ecosystems and providing the dApps with an existing user base to target. So the AI protocol uses the Artificial Liquid Intelligence Token. Ticker symbol, it says, is ALI on here, ALI, but I believe on Hotbit you would search Alethea. This is the utility token. The utility token, ALI, is the native ERC20 utility token of the AI protocol and the decentralized applications built on it. The ALI utility token regulates, incentivizes, and rewards various participants of the AI protocol. So the AI utility token enables moderation as well as governance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.